Namaskar, Khush Raho Bitya. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion Interior, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyotia Vidyapit Women University. Session name Store Design. Subject name Visual Merchandising. In previous session, we were discussed retail store design, importance of retail store design, elements of exterior design. The main elements of exterior designs are lighting, identity, and window. It covers overall outer look of the store and the exterior design of the store. After discussion of exterior design element, we will discuss interior design elements. Those are fixtures, flooring and ceilings, lighting and graphics. Fixtures type. Generally, fixtures type categorized in different type of racks. Straight rack, long pipe suspended with support to the floor or attached to a wall. A long and straight rack with multiple shelves, free on floor or maybe fixed in the wall, is called straight rack. Gondola. It is multi-purpose deck, large base with a vertical spine or wall fitted with a sockets or notches into which a variety or shelvages, pig hooks, beans, basket and other hardware can be inserted. Gondola is a multi-purpose shelf. Upper part is display part, middle part is the storage part, and the end part is pig hook, bean and basket part. After discussion of gondola rack, now we will discuss four-way fixture. Four-way fixture, two crossbars that sit perpendicular to each other on a pedestal. Four-way fixture is a multi-direction fixture. Right, left, customer are standing and see the products clearly. Round rack. Round rack is designed in round shape, round fixture that sit on the pedestal. It is used for the small products which is clearly displayed on round shelf. Other common fixture, table, large beams, flat based desk are also included in fixture type. After discussion of different type of racks and fixture types, we will discuss wall fixtures. Wall fixtures are very important in the display of interior of store design. To make stores wall merchandise, wall usually covered with a skin that is fitted with a vertical columns of notches similar to those on a gondola, into which a variety of hardware can be inserted. Can be merchandise much higher than floor fixtures, maximum 42 inches on floor for round racks, and wall can be as high as 72 inches. Fixtures are very important part in the store design. It covers the majority of display of product, arrangement of product and the storage of product in front of store. Flooring. Flooring is a decorative and attractive part of the store. When customer enter in the store, they feel comfortable on floor with flooring design. Design and decorate floor with carpet and designer tiles is called flooring and floor decoration. Flooring is generally categorized in carpet, designer tiles or 3D designs. Non-woven materials are used for the covering of floor and it is called flooring in the retailer store. Flooring is decorative part of the retail store. Simultaneously, ceiling is also decorative part in the retail store for the attraction of roof and the side walls. Ceiling was developed and ceiling is developed in the store. Retail ceiling design play an important role in the brand experience of boutique shops, departmental store and showrooms. As part of the interior design, ceiling in these retail environments are like to consumer feelings and behavior response associated with the store identity. Retailer and interior designer are constantly looking for a new way of presenting retail space so customers not only remember them but also connect with them in a positive way. Their store experience can greatly affected by the indoor climate, especially in summertime. Ceiling provide coolness, ceiling provide attractiveness, ceiling provide decoration in the retail store. After discussion of flooring and ceiling, it covered the decoration of the retail store, simultaneously comfort also. After ceiling and flooring, we will discuss lighting. Lighting is a critical factor in creating unique shopping environment, one that attract customer and pulls them in a create a store personality which reflecting brand and identity. Lighting create the personality of the store. Successful retail lighting does not come in one size fit all packages. It is strategic blend of color, contrast, control, energy efficiency. More than application knowledge in the experience, it requires proper application and lighting technique utilizing the latest lamp and luminate technology. A customer that is excited about their shopping experience will stay longer, spend more money, and not only be more likely to return but enjoying coming back. The quantity and quality of illumination, the impression it creates about the merchandise, and effect it has on the retail area's appearance are all factors in successful lighting design. Lighting is functional and decorational part of retail store. It provides clear image of product and display. Lighting classified in 4 layers. There are 4 layers of light typically used in the retail lighting, generally also called ambient lighting, task lighting, accent lighting and decorative lighting. Combining and balancing these lighting type give visual interest to space and create a more attractive, exciting and inviting environment. First is general lighting, second is accent lighting, third is task lighting, fourth is decorative lighting. General lighting. General lighting is the main source of illumination in a space. This is uniform. Base level of the lighting can easily become the focus on the energy reduction, as the light level from other fixtures can be lowered, especially when using LED and CMH lamp source. With minimal illumination of the merchandise, general lighting allow the staff of perform daily tasks such as cleaning and restocking, as well as customer circulation throughout the space. General lighting is categorized in general lighting. It provides comfort and the proper display of overall of the store and cover overall light part and lighting in the store. Lighting, general lighting. Diffuse general lighting ensure a sense of well-being which make customer feel comfortable and more likely to stay longer in the store. A simple way to achieve this by arranging recessed fixtures using reflectors, baffles and lens trims in overlapping position. Vertical brightness influence on customer impression of store by making orientation easier, helping to define merchandising space. Uniform lighting on the roof of the store is provide formal lighting in the store. Accent lighting. After discussion of general lighting, now we will discuss accent lighting. Accent lighting create a dramatic emphasis and the merchandise using focused or the point light source of the source. It adds depth, contrast, create a focal point or merchandise to be displayed. It highlights shape, texture, finish, color of the merchandise, drawing customers to it. The key is make it illumination more precise and higher intensity than the surrounding ambient light. General lighting is provide overall light, comfort and in the display in the store. Accent lighting create the focus on specific source or the product, which provide displaying light on mannequins, displaying light on footwears. Further division of accent lighting is key or hard accent lighting. In previous slide, accent lighting in shoe shelf figure 1.3 show the footwears is focused using down lighting. Other is 1.3 figure is also used mannequins is focused using lighting, and overall image of the product or the garment is highlighted in lighting, and the overall image of the footwear is highlighted in down lighting. Lighting, accent lighting is also classified in several subheads. Key or hard accent lighting. Hard accent lighting is used to create shadow and determine contrast, focal point and approach. Special care is needed to avoid distracting reflection, especially in glass and signages. Key or hard accent lighting is used to create shadow and determine contrast. It create focal point, it create contrast. Fill light. Softer, wider distributed of the light is angled to the soften shadow where needed. When we needed soften shadow, we will use fill light. Highlight. Wide accent is used to reveal shape and texture is product. When we will highlight the each product with the light is highlighting the each light on the product. Backlight. Lighting from the behind of the product, size and shape. Uplighting. Lighting from the below create unnatural ghost-like shadow. Should be used selectively where the most dramatic effect is needed, such as a storefront window to display or create a transition between departments. Sometimes we want to create and highlight the display of the store, then we will using uplighting. Uplighting is the full dramatic source of the product and it provide great display. Example of the decorative lights. Ceiling decorative lights, use of the chandeliers lights, use of the pendant lights, use of the decorative light on cafe sign. Window lighting. Every retailer is completing for their customers' attention to the retailer window, an opportunity to stand out. It should be a powerful attraction providing link between the passers-by and the merchandise within the store. Attract customers with the drama. Engage the passer-by the intense white light using uniform saturated illumination, direct accent light to highlight and define the merchandise, create stopping power that will make the consumer want to come inside and invest themselves in the sales experience. Rather than the front display, side window is also lighted with the white light or the highlight or the attractive light, sometime with the colorful light in figure 2.2 and sometime with the white light on mannequins in figure 2.3. Shelf, cases and counter lighting. The most common way to light these spaces is to use small sources such as LED tape light close to the display object but hidden from view. It illuminates level should be 3 to 5 higher than the surrounding ambient light, highlighting merchandise for easy evaluation by customer. The light source color must be chosen by carefully as to not distort damages or the alter the look of the merchandise being displayed. Shelf cases and counter lighting. Shelf cases and counter lighting clearly imagine the product classification with the same light. Alter the product with different product. Lower level shelves go relatively unnoticed, but they targeting ancient lighting and or the backlighting on the lower third shelf. Customers linger longer, encouraging sales. When the lower shelf will be not provide good light, the ancient light will be used for the display or the lighting of the product for the sale. Primary type of light bulbs. Incandescent light produce light when an electronic current passes through a filament, causing it to glow. Incandescent light are generally the cheapest but also the most inefficient kind of lighting. Efficient kind of lighting. Their short lifespan and high energy uses have pretty much made them obsolete for general retail lighting application. Halogen. Second is halogen. First is incandescent. It is cheap. It provides light but not so good source of lighting. Second is halogen. Halogen light bulb are more modern version of the incandescent light, often used for the focus lighting needed. Checkout area display lighting. Although they are less efficient than the fluorescent and the LED lighting, halogen can be a viable option for some specific application. Third is fluorescent CFL. Medium cost and fairly good efficiency fluorescent lighting is a pretty standard choice for the general lighting because they are cost effective, last longer than the incandescent, and are more energy efficient. Tube bulb are most common. CFL are updated version of the fluorescent light that are even more energy efficient and longer lasting. First is incandescent, second is halogen, third is fluorescent and CFL, and fourth is LED light. Most expensive, long lasting, most expensive LED bulbs are the most efficient, longest lighting light source, which is why more and more retail stores are moving to LEDs for the majority of their lighting application. For some application like spot specific lighting, halogen bulb may still providing the little truer light. This is the classification of the bulbs which is used in the lighting with the different shape and size. Commonly, the incandescent is the very normal bulb, provide normal light. Halogen is good option. Third is fluorescent and CFL. It is powerful option, and the LED is the most powerful option in the retail store. The retail store want to purchase LED light more and more. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapith Women University. If you have query with this session, you can comment in comment box. Thank you.